This is exercise 14.2, question number 3. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. Find the modal monthly expenditure of the families. That means we need to find out the mode. Also find the mean monthly expenditure. Even we have to find out the mean. Right? Now look at the table. They have given in the first column expenditure in rupees and number of families in the second column. That means there are 24 families whose monthly expenditure is between 1000 to 1500. There are 40 families whose monthly expenditure is between 1500 to 2000 and so on. Right? So let us see how to find out the mode. Here, for the mode, only first two columns we need. Right? To get the mode, first we'll find out which is the maximum frequency. Just look at the second column. So bigger number is which? 40. So this one is our F1 and this class is the modal class. So let me write down here modal class, which is equal to 1500 to 2000. So here lower limit is what? 1500. Now if I want to find out H, that means upper limit minus lower limit. This one is the upper limit, this one is the lower limit. Subtraction of that, it will come as 500. Correct? Now the frequency of the modal class is F1. Already we have written. Now frequency of the previous class of the modal class is this one 24, which we'll name it as F0, and frequency for the succeeding class is 33, which is F2. Correct? Now these things we are mentioning here itself in the table. Now we need to find out mode. So formula for mode is mode, which is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now we just need to substitute the values in this formula. See here, I'll start from here. L, lower limit is 1500 here, plus F1, value of F1, just look at this one here. F1 is 40 minus F0, which is 24, divided by 2 times 40 minus 24 minus F2. F2 is what? 33 into H means 500. Okay. Now here 1500 as it is plus 40 minus 24. It comes as 16. This one is 80 minus 24 and minus 33. Okay. Now look at this one. What it is? 4 and 3 is 7 here, and 2 and 3 is 5 here, into 500 as it is. Here 1500 plus 16 5s are 80. So here I'll write down 80 and this 2 zeros divided by 23. Okay. Now we need to divide 8000 by 23. So which is equal to this 1500 as it is plus, I will show you the division here. This side division I will show you. This is 8000 here and this is 23. For this you should know 23 is stable. If you don't know, write it down. Okay. So 23 3s are 69 here. 10 minus 9 is 1 and 7 minus 6 is 1. So 1 0 will come down. 23 4s are 92. So this is 92 here. Now this is 8. 10 minus this is 9 1. 1 0 will come down here. Now 23 7s are, which comes as 161. Now see the subtraction here. This one 10 minus 1 is 9. This is 1. Now we need to give the decimal because nothing is left here. So decimal, because of decimal what? We got the 0 here. So this is 0 at this place. Now 23 eights are, 23 eights are, it comes as 184. 184. Now here the subtraction comes as 10 minus 4 is 6. Right, only 6 is the subtraction. Look at this one here. Now because of the decimal place 0, now 23 twos are, 23 twos are 46. Then subtraction is here, this is 4, this is 1 and one more 0. 23 6 are now 138. 2 is remaining here at this place. Now I did till 3 decimal places. In the final answer we'll convert it into 2 decimal places. Okay, so here what I will write down, 347.826. okay, here you see now the addition of these two numbers, which comes as 1847.826. I said this last digit is more than 5, so you can increase the previous digit by 1. So our answer will become 1847.83. Correct? So mode of the data is rupees 1847.83. Correct? Now for the same data we are going to find out the mean. Let us see here. To find out the mean, because I saw the numbers are quite big, so we will use the step deviation method. For the step deviation method, this is the table. Lifetime in hours here, then frequency, class mark, UI, it means what? Xi minus A by H, and then finally Fi UI. Correct? First we'll find out the class mark. Here 1000 to 1500. Just think about the class mark, the middlemost value, or just the average of the class, upper limit plus lower limit by 2. That way we can do, or just the middlemost value comes as 1250 here. Okay, now here 1750 here. The next one will be what? 2250. Next one is 2750. Then 3250 here. The next one is 3750 here, and next one is 4250, and here 4750. We got the class marks. Now we need to choose A, that means assumed mean, somewhere the middle value of Xi is, right? So I'm going to choose this one as the assumed mean. This one or this one, any one you can choose. Okay, so I have chosen 2750. Okay, now H means take any one of the class interval, upper limit minus the lower limit. If you take this first class interval, for that the class size is 1500 minus 1000 means 500. Okay, we got A, we got H. Now UI, this one is Xi, 1250 minus 2750. If we do the subtraction, see the subtraction here, 1250, let me do here, 2750, and this is 1250. So 0, 0, this is 5, and this one is 1. But it is minus 1500. Minus 1500 divided by 500. So it will become minus 3. Correct? Now you see here, 1750 minus this 2750. So obviously 1000 minus 1000 divided by 500. So it is minus 2. Now 2250 minus 2750. So 500 only. So 500 by 500 is minus 1. This is 0, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? Logically, this way we will write it down. Now, Fi and Ui. This 24 into minus 3. See here, minus 4 3s are 12, 1 carry, 6 and 1, 7. Now 40 into minus 2 is minus 80. Here, 33 and this is 33, this is 0 here. This one is 30, then 22, 2s are 44, then 16, 3s are 48, right? Then 7 4s are 28. Now look at this one here. The addition of these three numbers is 3, 2, this is 5, 15 and 3, 18. 18, but this is negative. And addition of these four numbers. This is 28, it's 16 and 4, 20, 2 carry, 12, 13, 14, 15. This one, but this is plus. Now here, this 5 as it is, this is 3. So addition comes as minus 35. Correct. And sum of all the frequencies. See here, sum of all the frequencies. We'll just add it here. 4, 3, 7, 15, 16, 17, 17 and 6, 23 and 7, 30. 3 carry, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 3, 9, 10, 11 and 3, 14, 14 and 6, 20, 200. Okay. Now we will use the formula for mean, right? For step deviation method, the formula is what? A plus sigma Fi Ui divided by sigma Fi into H. Now we'll substitute the values here. A is what? 2750. So here A is 2750 plus sigma Fi Ui means this value minus 35 divided by 200 into H was 500. Correct? Now this 1020 1020 got cancelled. Here we'll write down 2750 plus minus minus. Now 35 5s are. So 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 3s are 15 and 2, 17 by 2. 2 1s are here, 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14 and 2 5s are. Okay. Now see the subtraction. 2750 minus 87.5. Now we need to do the subtraction of this. See here the subtraction now. 2750 minus 87 point, oh sorry, let me write properly, 87.5. Okay, 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, this is 4, so 14 minus 8 is 6, then this one is 6 here, 6, 2, so 2662.5. This is the mean, correct? So mean is rupees 2662.5 and mode is what? Rupees 1847.83. Correct? I hope all of you understood this sum. Thank you.